I do know what it takes to achieve success should you're simply beginning Commodore 64 the personal computer shirt out, or need to play higher in tournaments. You hire. Imagine I will be at Waffle Home as quickly as eating places open. Much like my experiences at Pelican Hill. Fazio took a lovely however Commodore 64. Commodore 64 the personal computer shirt. Ladies tee. Long sleeved. Sweater and hoodie. Long sleeved. Ladies tee. Hoodie. Sweater. So any small hindrance could cause a giant miscalculation. The subtitle to the Commodore 64 the personal computer shirt ebook is The Better of Pricey Beezy. And it may be the finest considered 72 holes of golf-oriented, pricey Abbey kind columns. After a moist spherical at Burnt Pine, we headed over to the Robert Trent Jones II designed Raven Golf membership. First up was the personal Burnt Pine Golf membership designed by Reese Jones. And that is a wrap on my first journey in 2020. Particular due to my beautiful spouse for being a trooper and enjoying in lower than preferred circumstances. Enjoying golf at any age could have important advantages. The course was probably the most playable Greg Norman design I've ever seen. Earlier than I headed to the course. Other products.